Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where the correct scores are St. Aloysius Primary, now on 21 points, Montego Bay Christian Academy on 19 points. This is because in the face-off section in science, the answer Marine Reserve was in fact accepted. They therefore gain a point. Time now for the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer. They lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We'll have that time on our NTV Insurance on the Educator clock. Still anyone's game. Teams, all the best. We begin with local affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. He's a former president of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Metro Siago. Sports. What is the governing body for netball locally? Netball Jamaica. Bible knowledge. Who was the father of Joshua? None. Science. Complete this statement correctly. Leaves are thin and flat so that they have a large area to capture. Sunlight. English language. Does the word rumpus mean a part of the body, a noisy uproar, or a collision? It's a noisy uproar. Music. Which American singer first recorded the single Georgia on My Mind? Ray Charles. General knowledge. What's the term used for the study of plants? Montego Christian Academy.
Botany.
That's right. Television, it's a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor. Identify the actress. Felicia Rashad. Mathematics. What's the product of 3, 54, and 1? Montego Bay Christian Academy.
162.
That's right. Social studies. How many times was the Most Honorable Portia Simpson Miller sworn in as Jamaica's Prime Minister? Montego Bay?
2.
Twice is correct. Television. Is Jermaine Brown a presenter for weather, news, or sports? Montego Bay Christian Academy?
Sports.
During TVJ's primetime news, that's correct. Sports, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies fast bowler. Michael Holding. Bible knowledge. Who was the king of Israel when David killed Goliath? St. Aloysius.
Saul.
That's right. Science. Complete this statement correctly. Leaves are green because they have a colored chemical called Montego Bay Christian Academy.
Chlorophyll.
That's right. English language. Give a 5-letter antonym starting with B for the word sharp. St. Aloysius?
Blunt.
That's correct. Music. What's the stage name of the American singer Alicia Orgella Cook? Montego Bay Christian Academy?
Alicia Keys.
That's right. General knowledge. Give a 5-letter word, which means the luggage compartment in the back of a car and a long appendage that St. Aloysius, that hangs from an elephant's face. Trunk is correct. Local affairs. Who is the chairman of the Economic Program Oversight Committee in Jamaica? Keith Duncan. Mathematics. What's the product of 905 and 5? St. Aloysius.
4525.
That's correct. Social studies. Which major line of latitude is found at 66.5 degrees north? St. Aloysius.
The Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle.
That is correct. Bible knowledge. When Jesus was 12 years old, he was found reasoning with priests at a temple in which city? Jerusalem. English language. What's the feminine equivalent of a drone? Montego Bay Christian Academy.
Queen Bee.
Not accepted. That's incorrect. Not accepted. What a match. What a match. The correct answer is B. You weren't looking for Queen Bee specifically. Montego Bay Christian Academy, that means you're on 29 points. St. Aloysius Primary on 31. What a match. We wrap things up when we get back.